Now in this session I will explain sum number A of question number 7 of exercise 3.1 of chapter 3, understanding quadrilateral. Now what is given in sum number A is a triangle is given. Inside the triangle we have two interior angles, that is 90 degree and 30 degree. The third angle is not mentioned, so we have to find out the third angle and name it. We'll name this angle as A. Now once we are done with this part, then also we have to find out the value of x, y and z, and these are the exterior angles of the triangles given. But the first thing that we have to find out is the value of A. So that would be, we know that sum of interior angles of triangle, that is what, 180 degree, isn't it? The sum of interior angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. We already discussed this in my previous video. Now what are the values given? That is 90 degree plus 30 degree plus A is equals to 180 degree. Now we'll add these two angles. It will be 120 degree plus A is equals to 180 degree. Now to get the value of A, we have to transpose 120 towards right hand side. So it would be, A would be equals to 180 degree minus 120 degree, and that would be equals to 60 degree. So A is 60 degree. Okay. Now one by one we'll get all the exterior angles also. Now carefully observe, students. Now these two angles, that is x and 90 degree, are on the straight line, isn't it? So we can also say that x and 90 are the linear pairs, isn't it? So the sum of these two angles will be equals to 180 degree. So we'll write it down. X plus 90 degree is equals to 180 degree, and y you have to mention, that is linear pair, isn't it? Now how to get the value of x? Definitely we have to transpose 90 towards the right hand side. So x equals to 180 minus 90 degree, so that would be x equals to 90 degree. Right? So the value of x is 90 degree. Now let's get the value of y. Same thing we have to do. You see that these two angles are again on the straight line, right? That means these two angles are also linear to each other. So we'll write 60 degree plus y is equals to 180 degree. Reason, same, linear pair. How to get the value of y? We have to transpose 60 degree towards 180. So it will become minus 60 degree. So y would be equals to 120 degree. Okay. Now finally what we have to find out, not finally, one more we have to find out after this, z. Now what is the value of z? Again these two angles are on the straight line, so these two angles will also be what? Linear to each other. They are also linear to each other. So that will be z plus 30 degree is equals to 180 degree. Y will be a linear pair. Now to get the value of z, we have to transpose 30 degree towards 180. That means the value of z would be equals to 150. Fine. Now finally you have to show that what is the sum of x plus y plus z. So x plus y plus z, that would be equals to, what is the value of x, students? 90 degree. What is the value of y? 120 degree. And what is the value of z? 150 degree. So if you add this, then you'll get 360 degree. Okay? Always remember that no matter what type of polygon is given, the exterior angle, that is the sum of the exterior angles, will always be 360 degree. Always. Fine? I will prove it also today. Okay? Now, sum number B, try it on yourself. This will be your homework. Fine? So now, let's try to understand why did I say that the sum of exterior angles of any polygon is equals to 360 degree. Okay? Okay, now we'll try to understand why the sum of exterior angles of any polygon is equals to 360 degree. Fine. So I'm showing you with triangle. You can try it with quadrilateral also, pentagon also, hexagon also. All will be same. Fine. So let me draw one triangle first. Okay. Now let me name the angles 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so all the angles which are written with red color are all interior angles of a triangle, and the angles which are written with black color are all exterior angles of a triangle. Fine. And these two triangles are linear pair, 4 and 3. The sum of these two angles will be equals to 180 degree. 1 and 5 is also a linear pair. That is 1 plus 5 would be also equals to 180 degree. Similarly, 2 plus 6 will also be equals to 180 degree, as because they are also linear pair. Now, so sum of exterior angles. Sum of exterior angle of triangle, as because we are doing on triangle. So what are the exterior angles we have? 4, 5 and 6. So we'll write it down. Angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6. Okay. Now in place of 4, please see very very carefully. In place of 4, we can write 180 degree minus 3. Why? Suppose if this angle is given and we are supposed to find out this angle 4. So what we will do? We'll subtract this angle 3 from 180 degree to get the value of angle 4, isn't it? To get the angle 4, what we'll do? We'll subtract angle 3 from 180 degree. So in place of angle 4, what we can write? We can write 180 degree minus angle 3. Okay, so in place of 4 we can write this. Similarly, in place of 5, what we can write? 180 degree minus 1, because these two are linear pair. If this angle is given and if you are supposed to find out this angle, then how will you find it out? You have to subtract angle 1 from 180 degree. So that would be what? 180 degree minus angle 1. Similarly, how to get the value of angle 6? We have to subtract angle 2 from 180 degree, isn't it? So again we will write 180 degree minus angle 2. Fine. So in place of 4, we have written 180 degree minus angle 3. In place of 5, we have written 180 degree minus angle 1. In place of 6, we have written 180 degree minus angle 3. Now carefully observe, students. How many 180 degrees are there? How many numbers are there? 3, isn't it? So we'll multiply 180 degree into 3. And all the angles are carrying a negative sign. So we'll write it like, we'll write all the angles like this. Fine. So 180 degree into 3 is what? 540. We'll take minus sign as common and we'll put all the angles inside the bracket. That is angle 3 plus angle 1 plus angle 2. Okay. Now carefully observe this. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. See, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. These are all the interior angles of a triangle. So what is the sum of interior angles of a triangle? 180 degree, isn't it? So in place of this, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, sum of interior angles of a triangle is what? 180 degree. So if you subtract 180 degree from 540, you will get 360 degree. Fine. So this is how we have proved that the sum of exterior angle of any polygon will always be equal to 360 degree. And I will give you one formula also. With that formula, you can always check that, if you want to check that whether it is true for heptagon also, whether it is true for hexagon also or not, then you can check also. Okay. So you see, one thing more I want to say. You see, when triangle is there, how many 180s are there? 3. When there will be 4 sides, how many 180 degrees will be there? 4. When there are 5 sides are there, then how many 180 degrees would be there? 5. Okay. So 180 degree depends on how many sides are there. So this time there are 3 sides, so Three 180 degrees are there. Okay, so accordingly we'll write the formula. You see, the sum of exterior angle of any polygon with n side, that would be equals to 180 degree into n minus n minus 2 into 180 degree. You remember this formula? This is the sum of interior angles of any polygon. That means if you want to see whether this statement is true for not for heptagon or not, then you just have to put the values of n here, and you have to see that every time we will get 360 degree. It doesn't matter that it is hexagon, heptagon, quadrilateral, nonagon, decagon. Okay, every time it will come 360 degree. So this is a very, very important formula. Fine. So just write it down in your copy. Fine. Now let's do question number 1, sum number A of exercise 3.2. So this is sum number A of question number 1 of exercise 3.2. So we have just learned that the sum of exterior angle of any polygon is equals to 360 degree. Now if you see the figure, this all angles are exterior angles. And what is the name of the polygon? The name of the polygon is triangle. So what we will write? How to get the value of x? So we will write sum of exterior angles of triangle is equals to 360 degree. That's how we are derived. Now how many angles are there? 3. When triangle is there would be 3 exterior angles. When quadrilateral would be there, then there would be 4 angles. Pentagon, then there would be 5 angles. So just write all the angles. 125 degree plus 125 degree plus x is equals to 360 degree. Now 125 degree, 125 is what? 250 degree plus x is equals to 360 degree. Now x would be equals to 360 minus 250 degree. So your required answer is 110. Okay. So I hope you all have understood the conception of sum of the exterior angles. Now even I believe that you all can do sum number B on yourself. So this is also today's homework, that is sum number B of question number 1. Another homework what I have given, sum number B of question number 7 of exercise 3.1. Fine. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. God bless you all and stay blessed.